Hello tech enthusiasts and welcome back to my channel. This is SkyTech TV, your number one channel where we empower you with technology. Today we are diving into the mind-blowing innovation. We are reviewing the Tecno Camon 30 Premier. This one is one of the best phones in the Camon 30 series. This phone was released in February 2024 and it comes with dimensions of 162.7 by 76.2 by 7.9 millimeters and weighs around 210 grams. This phone has an AMOLED display which is 6.77 inches with a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixel. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it has a fingerprint sensor on it which is always on display. On the operating system, the phone runs on Android 14 with iOS 14, one of the latest user interface from Tecno, and it runs on MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate 4nm octa-core chipset with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. The phone also has a micro SD card and has a memory of 512GB and 12GB of RAM. On the camera, the phone comes with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. It also has a quad LED flash and records video at 4K at 60 frame rates per second. On the selfie, the phone has a 50 megapixel selfie camera which is good to make very nice selfie photos. It has a dual speakers and it does not have a 3.5mm jack. And on the connectivity, the phone has Bluetooth, NFC, infrared, radio and USB Type-C. On the sensors, the phone has a fingerprint sensor which is under display, accelerometer, a gyrometer, a proximity sensor and a compass. Now let's talk about what is powering this beast. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 70 watts wired charging. This means that you can charge from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. The phone comes in Alpha, Snowy Silver, Hawaii and Lava Black. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and comment below on your opinion on the Camon 30 Premier. See you in my next video. Bye.